Dearest ISACA South Africa members, thank you so much for joining us today. It's so nice to see you online, to see you. I see Gary Hardy in the audience and Peter Hill, Rowan, Nicole, Nolan, Rudairo. I see you all. It's so nice to see you. I wish I could see you in person. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Arlene Lynn Volmink, and I'm the president of the ISACA South Africa chapter. Who would have thought that today I stand before you in an online studio setting here in Durbanville, Cape Town, at this, our very first online member awards event. I would like to thank you for those, for you to have attended today on a Friday afternoon. I do know it's a Friday afternoon. And thank you so much to everyone behind the scenes who are really going crazy in the background with excitement. Thank you so much for all of your support and your contributions in making this an amazing event. It feels like we are one and we are connected and we are part of this networking community, and it just feels so good to be here today. We are living through strange times and we have so much to be grateful for as we live out the purpose and passion of ISACA through our collective love for technology. Our theme for this event is Growing in Gratitude. Similar to the conference, where we chose a theme that was so fitting for the times we live in, we are truly grateful to be here today and to be with you, our beloved ISACA South Africa community. I would like to warmly welcome our guest speaker who has traveled all the way from KZN, Mr. Bilal Kathrada. Thank you so much for your time and your sacrifice for the chapter. And I would also like to acknowledge our Vice President who is here with us today, Mr. Kenneth Paliam, who has also traveled from Johannesburg. And then to all the ISACA South Africa past presidents who are online, I mentioned Peter Hill, who I've seen, and Winston Hayden will also be joining us later. To the Board of Directors, both past and present, and to the staff members and the volunteers who are joining us today, and to you, our members, thank you so much for always showing your unfailing support of the chapter, as I say, even on a Friday evening. Now, gratitude is more complex than just a smile on one's face or a polite thank you. It is so much more and it goes so much deeper. With gratitude, I am talking about an awareness in every waking moment that we have so much to be thankful for. Amidst all the pain and the suffering and the loss and health issues, there are blessings. And it is in appreciating these little things in life that we find joy. Gratitude begins in our hearts and it works outwards into actions. And so at this point, with gratitude, I want to acknowledge the ISACA South Africa Board of Directors and volunteers. Volunteering is a work of heart. And I encourage you all to volunteer because it is truly a rewarding experience, both personally and professionally. This is your chapter. Our success is your success. So let's be grateful, continue to build each other up, rise together and succeed together. Now today you are in for a treat because I have with me a very warm and bubbly MC and program director. So with this, I'd like to introduce you to Giancarlo. At the age of 17, Giancarlo's singing career kicked off when he was the overall winner of The Voice of Tyre. Giancarlo is now carving out his space in the music industry, where he recently recorded his first single entitled Take Me Away. Giancarlo embraces the phrase music matters, and to him, music is much more than just a business. To him, it's an art form which can be used to see change and positivity in this world. He hopes to live by Gandhi's inspirational saying that goes, "Be the change you want to see in the world." So with that, I hand you over into the capable hands of Giancarlo.